New Mercedes E-Class estate has been revealed, and like the saloon before it, the estate not only continues the long model history of the classic E-Class, but also bridges the gap to the avant-garde trendsetters from Mercedes EQ with its new design. Balanced proportions are part of the appearance of a classic estate car. They are defined by the short front overhang, the long bonnet with power domes, the longer wheelbase, and the balanced rear overhang. Avant-garde, exclusive, and AMG line are available, and here you can see the AMG line. The dashboard makes for the digital experience in the interior. If the E-Class estate is equipped with the optional front passenger screen, the large glass surface of the MBUX superscreen extends to the central display. Visually detached from this is the driver's display in the driver's field of vision. The load compartment can be expanded from 615 liters up to 1830 liters. In the plug-in hybrid model, the luggage capacity is from 460 up to 1675 liters. Sales start in autumn in Europe. Tell me in the comments how do you like it.